here, and today I'm going to be doing the
Woodwork
challenge with my best friend, Millie. Hi guys. So, if you don't know how
the woodwork challenge works,
you got left post, this one, crossbar, this one, and right post, that one. So we're going to be going in that order: left post, crossbar, right post, and rock, paper, scissors. See who goes first. Who gets red last? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so I'm going to go first. Which means I have more chance. Put the pressure on. Left post. And by the way, it's not allowed to bounce or roll. So if it rolls along the floor and it hits the post, it doesn't count. Bouncing off the back wall. Finish. Left post. Yes! Get him! Do me Ronaldo style. See! So I put the pressure on. 1-0 to me.
Ronaldo just scored.
Did it? Yeah! Get in! Finally! Right, I just did the Ronaldo celebration as well.
What?
I just did the Ronaldo celebration. So, my Ronaldo celebration just gave the luck. We're recording right now We're recording right now during the Wales v Portugal semi-finals, and we just found out that Ronaldo scored just as I did my Ronaldo celebration. So I'm on crossbar and she's predictable. Crossbar, Rabona. Didn't work out too well, did it, Brianna? You don't work out. I'll do it. Go get your ball. I'm staying with this one. Oh. What's touch? You ready?
Blah 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 blah.
Damn it! Okay, so she's put the pressure on. We're both on crossbar now. Second time lucky. No, you're not. And I called it. So I took the lead. Yeah! From there. But sure he's going to equalise. 1-1. Don't count. I never mind games. Yeah, I know. Using that ball, are you? Taking my ball. Look, she's taking my ball. All because I've taken the lead. Retake. Give it! It's my ball. Just give it your turn. It's still 2-1. Nice try. Right post. Come on. What did I say in the camera? I said mind games ain't gonna work for me. So now it's gonna be red ass. She gets some shots on me, but how we're gonna decide it is,
Yeah.
well, we're gonna do rock paper scissors. I'm gonna be on 1. She's gonna be on 4.
So if I win rock paper scissors, I'm obviously gonna pick 4 shots on Rihanna. And if
I win,
Rihanna wins, she's obviously gonna let me have 1 shot. So
okay, so hopefully
I need to win.
Hopefully I'll win
On shoot, yeah. Rock paper scissors shoot, yeah.
rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot.
Yes! Every time we've done this, I've won. Alright, where's that art ball? Where's the art ball? I don't know. Nice try.
Just do a bit of seconds before I get probably smacked in the. Woo!
So, when
that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And peace!